So starting now.
It's already 4:25 and we still have this energy. Thanks, Murph, for sustaining us.
Starting now, we need to speak English or Filipino.
Okay. Or mostly,
No more Cebuana.
Or mostly, and we are
mag-English na lang
about
dito mo,
to,
guys.
about to
Dugay pa.
take off.
Lagi sila lure. Napasa
Thank you for choosing Cebu. Guys, we're here.
Hi guys.
We're here at, what do you call your we are here at Marvin's Condo Complex.
Condo complex daw. Complex 1.
4 building. Saba kayo. Dig. Wow.
Ay, kisok-sok na ako ang ano.
Okay lang. Are we allowed?
Sa studio.
They cannot hear us.
Magumog din. Pero sa
Bulletproof.
Ay, kisok na ako ang...
Wow.
Ito na po.
Welcome to his
His
home.
Welcome to my cell phone. Angelina's cell phone.
The drama starts now.
Asa nalipay kayo sa wala ka. Hindi na ako na kailangan sa
Wala akong ano sa maleta.
Ako lang iyak na naman. Uy, I want drama but not this kind of drama. The drama.
Hoy, ako lang yung limpyo dire kayo. Wala dyan ko lang.
The drama we've been waiting for.
Wala na akong lahat sa Jalen. Wala ka na
Kuya
Wala naman hinoon.
Mo ano man.
Kailangan kayo pag-ating France.
Hoy, balik na ako.
Uy, kaya mag-re.
Wala ko ba
Ay, mas ilagay natin sa bag.
Uy, mag-ready na siya sa iyong outfit sa concert front. Hi! Everyone's preparing for our day one.
Mag-blue daw sila lure.
We're going to museums.
Going to church.
Yes. Some more. Food trip. Okay, lahi-lahi big team. Kanya-kanya na this. The outfit, the destination. The outfit.
Uy, ganito ang jeep sa Manila.
The transportation.
Ginapicture na ako sila. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, I did not expect this at all to happen.
Sino ba naman mag-expect na ako ng cellphone?
Oh my God.
Kakarating nyo lang ng Maynila.
This is the first time na nawagan kong phone.
Sa Manila.
Gani, my
At least
God.
sa Manila siya nawala.
Uy, birthday kulang. Ay, ka na. Ay, nawawalan.
Nawawalan.
Sulaiman.
In this
Sige daw, be. Explain. A very unique artwork entitled to...
Butan mo na sila. So, magkano pa ito?
Oh, we're not allowed to touch every artwork that we have here is free.
Pa-ulit? Say hi, Julina.
Hi. Hi. Parang walang energy na hi.
Hi. Day 1, ang dami na po niyang ganap. Hi, Marlo. Say hi kayo. Hi. Yes, video na talaga to guys. So, ito po yung artista namin ngayon.
Over ka naman, Jolene.
Susunod.
So this is the Spolarium. Francis, what's the background of Spolarium?
What?
What's the background of the Spolarium?
Background? Dark. There's the dark.
Galaw. So, what can you say?
I think it will take a while.
How long is that while? For us?
Painting can be interpreted in a different way.
Or maybe it's
That's
that
true.
that
Every
man
person.
there is he or something like that. No? Diba? Or
Hindi takat ng mga tama. Bayat mo guni.
Ano?
ikaw. What can you say about that painting?
It's women empowerment.
Sige. Expand. Why women empowerment?
Was inspired by how women can do things independently, like going to coffee shop alone.
Nag-video lang eh.
Saka, video.
Contestant number 1. Contestant number 3. From the Surawan City of Batanes. Makinig ako dyan. Medyo.
Friend mo yun?
Siya yung nagpa-picture sa kaganina.
Pagod na, may Binondo tour pa tayo. Intramuros. Kinarihin na talaga ni Jolene sa phone ko. Jom, okay ka lang? Parang nagmo-moment ka.
Meeting unya.
We're going to Intramuros for Jo Marie and Gina because we love them. Wow, we love the rain.
Allowed to go inside.
Yeah. Hi. Making the best out of the experience. We don't have a choice. It's raining.
Jackie.
We're very wet.
Hi! We are
Super wet.
We're very happy that we are still alive.
Ay, di. Lang na mga restaurant na ano. Gaslight. Gaslight na yung sarili. Busog na daw siya.
Tayo. Tama ang kita. Tama kayo. Pasa.
130 daw.
Pero bakit mo sa kanan kuya?
Wow!
Nagkasya din kami!
Wala na dyan minabulag.
Papasulat si Kuya.
We are new here, so we need to follow what more. Oh! So first, you tap this one. After that, you do the floor beat. Oh, amazing!
Ano? Sige na sige.
Katahan moments karon. Oh my God, katahan moments karon.
Dagan siya dito ah.
Diba? Yun sa Juliet.
Stay with me 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me
everyone's busy preparing for concert and asa ta dyan?
I don't know where.
Show your ano, Merv. Yes. Iba-ibang ano, atake. Oh, city girl, concert girl. Asa man yung friends? Couple goals.
Couple go.
Imuha Merv, provinciano goals. Check! Let's go, guys! Mga muntang. Guys, sa mga concerters mo. Hi, guys!
Hello. This is our outfit for today. As we go, natural and this is my nature.
Katas ng bayo! Ay, si Donia! Ah! Asa mo kaya na siya? See the difference! Saan kami pupunta?
Like color.
Ano na para makita dyan?
Oh, kaya ka.
Bakit pa rin naman?
Number 1. Ang ating.
Ayaw, kuya, di mo kuan.
City boy and city girl.
Ano, Jolen? Kaya pa?
Jaren,
Okay. Hey, ano na to? Pinagpasay.
Ay, city girl!
Kaya naman Diyos, kamay mo. Diyos na ito, Diyos na lahat. Sisig na lahat.
Kids na nihilak. Mas feeling so cute.
We are here in Shibuya, Japan.
Ay, ano naman na. Wala pa ulo man.
Ay, hindi kasi may ano kasi dito. Ay, okay, gano'n na naman. Hindi ako nahawak. Ano dyan na ako? Cheers! Kwentahanay na.
Here we go with the page.
Walang friend dito.
Wala na kasi number. Puro matematika. Wala na ang city girl. Impossible to sa city girl. May ngayon ang city girl. Dahil ay pera ang city girl. Bayan.
Uy, that's city girl.
Going home. And our last day.
We don't have any direction yet. Marvin is pressured. Tignan yan ang pag siya.
Sino?
Yes. Wala ganito.
Sa'yo pala.
Ano, video ako, video.
Yan! Orong Jen, baka din ka makan. Pwede na makan. Pero pwede mag-retake. Pwede na mag-retake? Once daw, pwede once mag-retake lang.
Ayan, man.
Kana, i-retake ng una, oh. Yan. Sige, go, go.
Sige, go, vlog.
Ay, sige na, kana. Go.
8, 7.
Go, go, lang. Yay! Yay!
Hi guys, pagod na kami. Greenbelt. We're here at Greenbelt wherein we cannot afford.
Dito tayo kaling
Mervin
kanina.
is already pressured.
Yes.
We don't know where we're heading to.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know where I'm.
Yep. Ala, pilita cute ang day 4.
Pinugos.
Naglingkod mo gusto dito.
Ilong ka na picture na. Ala, si Marlo. Sinyas.
Oh, everyone's preparing to go home. Thanks, Mervin, for the accommodation. See you next time when Pinatubo is already.
Oy, December sa bago siya Davao.
1 minute. Ah, nice. I love it.
Thank you, Merv. Going home. Thanks, Merv. Uy, wala pa ako kasapatos.
Thank you, paka ha?
Bye, Merv. Thank you very much. See you when I see you. Going home. Or see you sa... Yeah, see you in December. See you sa June. Bye-bye. Bye. Mubalik na ang dami.
Naka-executive umpire.
Kasama sa pilot. Guys, reach Davao safely. Thank you, Lord. Guys, we're going back to reality. Kasama sa pilot na din. We'll see each other again in December. December good? Hopefully before December 2. Bye!